Here's an industry standard bulldozer, Caterpillar. I think 30 or 40 years old. Get some of these details. Down tilt. Yep. So 2 sets of cylinders, one down here, one going here. Put the tracks. What's the detail? What's the mechanism down there? Big rollers, pins. Drive wheel right here. Connection to here, I guess, at the bottom. And tilt. Is there a blade tilt, or is it just forward and back? I think the blade is always straight forward. See, so this is the big cylinders are lowering lowering the blade. This one tilts the blade up and down, but I don't see any tilt to the side. Do we have side tilt? I think we do. Do we? No, I don't see any side tilt. These monster wheels. About the controls. Oh, pretty simple.